Simply put, whenever you make a vocal sound, your vocal cords vibrate. This vibration stimulates the vagus nerve. This important stimulation occurs regardless of the quality of your voice or your ability to sing. Even if you can't carry a tune in a bucket, if your voice works, you can still get every single benefit of sound healing. Among its many important functions, the vagus nerve serves as a main connection between the brain and the rest of your torso. When this nerve is stimulated, it sends a message to your brain to activate the release of chemicals. These include dopamine, which is a neurotransmitter that helps to control your brain's reward and pleasure centers. Secondly, endorphins, which are chemicals produced naturally in the body to cope with pain or stress. These neuropeptides are known for their morphine-like euphoric effect. Third, oxytocin, which is a social bonding hormone known for creating a feeling of well-being. Fourth is nitric oxide, which is known for its anti-inflammatory effect and its ability to relax the inner muscles of the blood vessels, causing them to widen and increase circulation. And lastly, a chemical called acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter that serves as a natural tranquilizer and inflammation suppressant, among other things. Think about that. When you use the sound of your own voice, you tap into a powerful tool you already possess. Making self-created sound, like humming for example, is your built-in way to produce natural, non-addictive chemicals that help you feel great and can reduce inflammation anytime you need it, without more pills and without the side effects that can come with them. And the best part is that you can begin feeling tangible results in less time than it takes you to make your lunch. All that you need to get started is an open mind and a willingness to try.